Hi, I'm Ferd and welcome to my How to Get Rid of Ants video. This video I'm going to show you the problem that I had and what I did to get rid of these things. It was a pretty bad problem and I got rid of them in about 24 hours time. In the description below you'll find links to the products that I used and where to get them. Also, I'd like you to hit that like and subscribe button and watch some more of my videos. This is what I wake up to every morning. It's getting worse. Come across here. And they're climbing up that crack right there. Along this wall. And then they go under this rug. And then they disappear. Under the rug. And they're going under this carpet. Right over here somewhere. But anyway, I'm thinking they're over in that direction and living in the wall of the house. And I'm not tearing the walls out to get to them, so I got some medicine on the way for them. This is what I'm going to do to try to get rid of these ants. I got this stuff is a gel. This stuff is a granular bait. And I think they're probably going to go after this, but I don't know. And then I've got these little traps where I could put one on each side. So whatever one that they're wanting at this particular time, they're going to have their choice. They'll both be in there. And we'll load this thing up. And hopefully they're going to come in, they're going to take the bait. It poisons them, but it doesn't kill them right off. They take this stuff back to the nest and they spread the disease amongst the entire nest. And the idea is to try to kill off all the ants down there. I mean, that keeps me from having to tear my walls apart and hunting them down. So let's give this a try. Right off the bat, look at this. There's where I kind of dribbled some down on the counter when I was putting it in there. And he found it. And man, he's sitting there eating away. I've got, I guess, some hope for this. He's getting ready, he's getting all excited. He's going to go home and tell all of his buddies about it. I've got the other trap sat right down here in the corner. That's the pathway where they're coming and then going up the wall. So hopefully they'll stop right there and chow down at that little lunchroom restaurant thing I got going on down here for them. I got a couple other places in the living room behind the couch and over by the window where I'm going to put it at. So we'll see. Now this is the very next morning, and I've been up a few hours. I've seen 0 ants on my counter. Usually this thing is just covered with them. And I mean, just like it is with nothing even on it. But down here, it looks like the party's just about over. There's a few ants kind of moseying around here and there, but just a few. There's 2 or 3 of them there, but there's dead ants all along the path. I've got one more little trap up here. There's a little activity going on up here in this one. I can't really see it that well because of the sunlight, but this stuff's working. Somewhere in my wall over there in the living room, and I believe it's downstairs on the lower level, there's a massive nest of these ants that are just dead in the wall there. So I highly recommend this stuff. It's a little pricey, but it works.